Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultant. Today in this video, we will discuss about a share whose September month report card has come out. So, before going to this video, anybody new to this channel, do like it, share it and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. So friends, the share which we are going to discuss today is the Angel Broking share, Angel 1. As you can see here in this video, the Angel 1 share in today's market gave a very good response of 12.35%. Near about 170 points it has raised it. In today's market it was opened at 1442 rupees and it made a high of 1532. Near about it made a high of 170 points, as you can see, because the client base of Angel 1 in the year-over-year stood at 11.57 million in comparison to last year's 6.52 million. So almost the client base has doubled. So it's a very good response from the Angel 1 share. And one more thing I want to tell you regarding this share, Angel 1, is that this information also might be of great use to all of you, as this Angel 1 share is also going to provide a dividend on 20th of October 2022. This Angel 1 Limited share is going to provide dividend. Right now it has the percentage or through per share what dividend it is going to provide, it is not yet mentioned, but the date it is going to provide dividend is 20th October. So friends, do focus on this share, and the result of this share is also going to come out very soon. The result of this share will be out on, let me check it out. So if I find it, I will let you know. Yeah, on 13th of October, 13th of October, the result of Angel 1 Limited is going to come out, and on 20th of October it is going to provide a dividend. So friends, it's a very good opportunity. Do focus on this share, and today it has given a raise of 170 rupees. So in coming days, as it approaches towards its result date and dividend date, so it can provide very good more points and could give you good returns. So again and again I am telling you that do focus on this share and consult with your financial advisors and act accordingly. So I hope friends, this video might be of great use to all of you, and if you find this video useful, then do like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you guys.